Infective endocarditis. Definition: microbial infection of vascular or mural endocardium that leads to formation of vegetations composed of thrombotic debris and organisms often associated with destruction of underlying cardiac tissue. This is the exact definition which is been given in drawings. Second heading is types. There are two types: acute and subacute bacterial endocarditis, which can be differentiated with these 6 points. First one is heart condition, which is normal in acute, damaged in subacute. As there are highly virulent bacteria in acute bacterial infection, so they takes less time to infest, vice versa in subacute. Organisms examples: Staph aureus, Streptococcus viridans, lesion of wall, here ulcerative and invasive, here non-invasive. Clinical features: here's acute systemic infection, here's splenomegaly, clubbing and petechiae. Etiology: which infections caused by which organisms? First, normal, community acquired and nosocomial. Community acquired is Staph aureus, and nosocomial is also Staph aureus. Prosthetic walls less than 1 year, Staph aureus; more than 1 year, Staphylococcus. In IV drug use, right sided can cause by Staph aureus same, left sided can cause by Enterococcus. Predisposing factors you can remember like this: high risk is ventricular septal defect, low risk is atrial septal defect, and moderate risk comes under valvular defects, which is mitral stenosis, mitral regurgitation, aortic stenosis, aortic regurgitation, tricuspid stenosis, tricuspid regurgitation, pulmonary stenosis, pulmonary regurgitation, in which mitral regurgitation and aortic stenosis comes under high risk, with tritology of Fowlett and patent ductus arteriosus. These all comes under high risk. In moderate risk, all this which I have tick marked. In low risk, only atrial septal defect. Now pathogenesis. In these kind of diseases which cause valvular stress and cause damage of the underlying endothelium, which can cause fibrin platelet thrombi, which gets infected by circulating bacteria which are being came into the body through these phases. Then the bacteria form non-sterile vegetations. Now what are these vegetation? This can be described under 4 headings: gross, walls, location, deformity. Gross are, these are large and irregular. Friable. Friable means it can fall off easily. Non-sterile. Then walls. The most common wall it can affect is mitral wall. Second common is aortic wall. Third common is tricuspid wall. Fourth common is pulmonary wall. This is mnemonic. Location: upper surface of all cusps, that is atrial surface of atrioventricular walls and ventricular surface of ventricular walls. Deformities: abscess formation. Now complication: cardiac stress, which can cause abscess, as you know, wall ring stenosis, suppurative pericarditis, cardiac failure. In extracardiac, as the emboli are formed and being goes into general circulation through aortic circulation, it can go through organs and cause kidney damage, brain damage and petechiae. That is in left side. In right side, the emboli goes to the lungs and cause lung deformities. If the emboli goes to the peripheral circulation, they can cause Johnway spots or Osler's nodules. Johnway spots formed in acute bacterial infection, Osler's nodules formed in subacute bacterial infection. Johnway spots are painless. Osler's nodules are very painful. These are non-tender, these are tender.